everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an inventory adjustment inside of ServiceTitan. So you'll see here that I'm inside of a ServiceTitan tenant, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the inventory tab and create an adjustment. So what I'm going to do is up here at the top you'll see this little box that says inventory, so we'll go ahead and click it, and we're going to go down here over to the left for adjustments. What we're going to do here is we're going to create a new item. We're going to select a location, so let's say this is Dan's truck and we want to lower the inventory level of a certain item inside of his truck. So we're going to click his truck. We're going to change the inventory quantity adjustments. We're actually going to change the quantity of inventory of that we have on site. We're going to select the business unit relevant to that. So I'm going to go ahead and just click electrical service, give it a reference number and a memo, and then we can actually start adding items. So what we can do here is search items. I'm just going to use this M1000 here. And I'm going to say we want to decrease that on his truck by 1. You'll see that we can add additional items as well, and we can change that quantity. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click save, and that's going to save that inventory adjustment in our system, which we can then batch and export to QuickBooks.